What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the creek. As you can tell from the b-roll, it was snowing here and I did fish that day, but I missed a ton of fish. But I still have the footage from me fishing in the snow, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to roll that here in a bit. But yeah, today I'm going to be fishing the creek. Like I said, I have been fishing for quite a few days. I can't catch any fish at all whatsoever. Yesterday I fished for a long time, probably like 6 hours, got one bite and I couldn't catch any fish. So hopefully today's a different story. I'm going to try my absolute best to catch a fish today. I got quite a few hours, so I'm gonna grind it out today. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. I'm like making perfect casts, so if I don't catch a fish, yep. Got one. No, you've got to be kidding me. No way! That was a big fish, or maybe a turtle. Broke me off. How does a fish break me off? I never break off. Come on, get out of there. Right there. Caught a fish there last time. The same exact spot. I just got thumped. Got one. First fish of the day. Get out of the pads. That's the problem with this place, the pads. Nope, he came off. Dang it. All right, everybody, so that day I probably fished for about an hour, and the reason that being is it was cold and I ran out of the baits that these fish like to eat. I tried my best that day to catch fish, but I just couldn't make it happen. I kept missing the fish. I broke off even on one of the fish that bit my bait. But today we are back fishing the creek. I bought some more bait that the fish like to eat here. With that being said, I'm going to grind it out all day until I catch at least 2 fish. The water's pretty murky, but this is how it was when it snowed. It was also pretty murky. It literally snowed like maybe 13 inches at my house, and I live in Texas, and this is like only a few days later, and it's like sunny and like 70 degrees right now. I don't know what's going on. I was out of power for a few days, that's why I couldn't really upload, so I apologize for that, but I'm talking way too much. I'm gonna get to fishing, rig up some bait, and hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. All right, it's currently 1 o'clock and I'm gonna fish till 6. Why does a train have to like, and there's an airplane coming. Right there. That's a fish. Got one. Get in here, buddy. Yes, let's freaking go. That's what I'm talking about. Not a giant, but hey, I'll take it. Oh my gosh, I've been fishing for days. Top of the mouth. That hook set was so aggressive, but I did not want to lose this fish. He was not going anywhere. First fish of the day, not a giant, but hey, I'll take it. Oh, it feels so good to finally catch a fish. I have been grinding like hours to try and catch a fish. Finally, I made it happen. Wow, not a bad fish. Pretty small, dinker, but hey, I'll take it. First fish of the day. I just started fishing not too long ago, so I will take it. Back in the water he goes. Yesterday I fished from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock without getting a single fish. I got one bite and I was on my kayak at the lake. Got one bite, that's all I got, but finally redeemed myself, caught a fish. I'm gonna try and catch one more. I'm sure it's possible. I just started fishing, so for those of you who are curious, I'm using watermelon red Cinco. Watermelon red and Cincos go pretty good this time of year, getting close to the spring, so just to let y'all know, that's what I'm using. But wow, first fish of the day, not bad. I'll continue fishing and hopefully we can catch another one. And I apologize if there's like a lot of planes passing by and stuff. I think there's like planes flying by from like the base and they just fly by here, so there's gonna be a lot of planes flying by. I don't know why the one day I decided to film a video. 2 planes have already passed by, but we'll keep fishing, see if we can land another one. Hopefully we do. That was a bite. Still has it. Got another one. Get out of the pads, get out of the pads. Let's freaking go. Yes. This Cinco is freaking slaying it. Not even like 30 minutes after that other fish. Not a giant, but hey, these fish are fun. I mean, I haven't landed fish in like forever. I mean, I've been grinding, like I said. Feels good to be back. Another fish about the same size. Maybe it's even the same fish. I have no idea. I'm gonna go ahead and let this fish go back in the water. Today just seems like a good day for fishing, and apparently it is. Toss him back in the water. There he goes. Swam off over there. Dang, that was insane. I already caught 2 fish, and I've been here for about maybe 40 minutes. Telling you people, watermelon red Cinco. It's getting it done. Got another one. 3rd fish of the day right there. Let's freaking go. That's a nicer one. That is a nicer fish. Biggest fish of the day. Still about the same size, but a little bit bigger. Buddy, chill. This Cinco's getting it done. Not bad. Still about the same size. I wonder if the owner actually stocked this place with a ton of dinks, because the fishing actually has been pretty good lately. So I need to ask him if I ever see him. Not too sure, but not bad. 3rd fish of the day. We are slaying them today compared to yesterday. Gonna go ahead and release this fish. Back in the water he goes. I was standing back here because at this spot I always stand back here. I never want to get too close because there's turtles and stuff like on logs, and they jump in and spook the fish. So that's one reason I don't get close, and another reason is because there can be fish hanging out right here. Like I got that bite right there. All right, everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 3 fish in total. I fished for honestly probably about an hour. I didn't fish for too long. I could fish longer. I don't want to pressure the area too much, and I gotta get this video out tomorrow for y'all. So I apologize for the late upload. Like I said, I didn't upload for quite some time because of the power. It snowed and I just couldn't catch fish in general. So I apologize for the late upload, but I promise there's going to be some exciting content coming out soon. If you have any ideas for videos, drop them down below and I'll make sure to keep them in mind. But I do have some exciting videos coming up, like I said. But with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, and I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.